Let us observe very carefully. If it comes to know class 8th, class 9th and all you are studying, what do you mean by atomic number, guys? Atomic number. Please, can you able to say? Atomic number means number of protons. Is it yes or no? Number of protons, or you might be remember, or also we can say number of electrons. What we can say?
Number of protons and number of electrons.
We will use number of protons only, because number of electrons sometimes it will turns into ions. You may be get confused. That is why. So if you take any atom, what is happening, guys? Any atom. So at the center, at the nucleus, we are having neutrons and protons, and the orbits who is having? Orbits who is having? Electrons. Now you can take any atom, guys. Try to understand very carefully. Any atom, the number of protons is equals to number of protons is equals to number of electrons.
Number of electrons.
Number of protons is equals to number of electrons. Understand, guys? Please respond me now.
Yes, sir.
Let me take now. Let me take Kevin. Is positive charge. Boys, let me take now. All boys are positive charge and all girls are negative charge. Is it okay, guys? Try to understand very carefully. Now, initially our class only let me take. Now, boys is equals to girls. What is that? Boys is equals to? Try to understand, boys is equals to
girls.
Now, boys, what have they said? Boys are positive charge and girls are
Negative charge.
Now, everybody will say by losing electrons, the atom will turns into positive charge. By gaining electrons, the atom will turns into negative charge. So observe very carefully. Try to understand very carefully now. Boys are positive charge and girls are negative charge. So means in the sense of what? Boys are donating electrons and girls are receiving electrons. Now you can see boys are totally 10 members. How many boys are there? 10 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me take 10. How many members are, guys? 10 members.
10, sir.
Now observe very carefully, very important thing. Girls also equals to them. Initial case. Girls also how many are there? 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now observe very carefully. This is the one atom. Number of protons equals to what, guys? Number of protons is
Number
equal
of electrons.
Number of electrons.
Now let me take, this is the one atom. This atom will stable only by losing positive charge. Only by losing positive charge. Positive, I should not
What
say.
is your positive charge?
Try to understand. By losing electrons, it will become stable in nature. Is it okay, Padmasini? By losing electrons, it will
Yes,
become
sir.
not positive charge. Try to understand. Now, observe very carefully. I lose one electron. Suppose I will donate. This is the atom which will become stable in nature by losing one electron. Is it okay, Ma? Everybody respond me. By losing one electron.
Yes.
In the sense of one electron gone. One electron gone. You understand, guys? Please respond me.
Sir.
Now still what is the positive charge? What is the count of positive charge? By losing one electron, what is the positive charge count? Positive charge equals to 10. Understand? But negative charge, how many is remaining? Negative charge, how many is remaining?
9.
9.
9.
So who is more? Who is more positive or negative?
Positive.
By how many units? By how many units?
1
How many units? Arey yaar, one proton is equals to one electron.
1.
9 protons, 9 electrons gone. Then how many protons are extra? Huh? One proton is extra.
1.
One proton is extra. That is why positive charge is more by 1 unit. That is why that atom will get. Understanding? Suppose sodium you can take, Na plus will come, because by losing one electron, one proton count is increases in the sense of more. So that is why it will become plus in nature. Do you understand, guys? Now you may be understand clear. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One. Now, let us go with the opposite case. For example, now again, 5 protons are there in one atom. 5 protons are there, and also 5 electrons are there. How many electrons are there? 5 protons and 5 electrons. So
5
count
electrons.
5 protons is equals to 5 electrons. Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Somebody donate electron and that electron came here and it will settle. That electron came here and settled. So then only it will become stable in nature. Now, here number of protons is what? Number of protons are still same. What is the number of protons? 5 only. Understanding?
5.
Number of electrons become how many? Number of
6.
electrons.
6.
Electrons. So here, who is more in count? 5 protons equals to 5 electrons, but still one more electron is extra. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that this atom will turns into what? Negative ion or positive ion? Negative ion. That is what?
Negative ion.
Do you understand, guys? That is. I hope you all understand clearly concept. Any doubt?
Sir, can I explain again?
Padmashini? Respond. Doubt means ask me.
Sir, can I explain again, sir?
Once
Due to
again.
internet connection, I went out, sir.
Now, initial case, if you take any atom, the number of protons is equals to number of electrons. Is it yes, guys? Please respond me. At least say yes.
Sir.
This is what we should call it as atomic number. What we should say? Atomic number. Understand, Ra? Atomic number we should represent with what? Z. Z is the symbol of atomic number. So, in any atom, if you take, the number of protons is equals to number of electrons. Is it okay, Padmashini? Clear? Everybody, Kevin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akshaya? Now,
Yes, sir.
by losing electrons or by gaining electrons, this number of protons will become not equals to number of electrons. Is it yes or no? By losing or gaining.
Yes, sir.
Is it yes, Padmashini? For example,
Yes,
here one electron gone. Initially 10 protons is equals to 10 electrons. Understanding in atom. Now, one electron gone means how many electrons will become? 9 electrons will become. But still
Nine.
protons are how many?
10 protons.
So that they become unequal. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, how many protons are extra? How many protons are extra? 9 electrons. One proton is extra. That is why this ion, after losing one electron, this ion will get +1 is the charge. Is it okay, Padmashini? Understand? At least now.
Yes, sir.
If suppose 2 electrons lost, then what is the number of electrons, guys? If 2 electrons gone, electrons, but still protons are
2
protons. Understanding? So
10
protons. How many extra protons? 2 protons.
2 extra.
Will gain the ion charge of how much? +2. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is. Now, receiving case, let me take. Now, initially 5 protons are there, which is equals to 5 electrons. Now, if it will gains 1 electron, gains means 1 electron added. 1 electron is added. Then what is the total count, guys? Electrons. But protons how many?
6.
5. Yes or no? So,
5.
how many extra electrons are there? 1 electron is extra. So,
1.
minus. Understand, guys? -1 will come. Is it okay? Now, 5 protons is equals to 5 electrons. If it will gain 2 electrons extra, how many total electrons? 2 electrons. Respond me.
7
Electrons more. Dina, it will become 7 electrons.
7 electrons.
7 electrons. But protons are how many? Only 5. So, how many extra electrons are there? How many extra electrons are there?
2.
Plus 2, sir.
2
Minus
extra.
2. Is it okay, guys? -2. Are you clear? Now, Padmashini, Pranav, Yalini, Nidina.
Sir, receiving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir. Receiving means the protons will be negative. If you are donating, means
Not
proton will be
protons
positive.
will become negative. Protons will become lesser. Electrons will increase more. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Losing means the electrons count will decrease, protons counts will be increase. Increase in the sense of no increase, originally same, but number of electrons decreases means automatically one is more. Do you understand? That is what happening. That is the meaning of. So it contains unequal number of electrons and protons. Are you guys clear now with the definition? Ashika, are you clear now? Tarani, Pushpa, Nitish, Varshini?
Yes.
Yes, that is the meaning of. Arvind, are you clear, Arvind? So it contains an unequal number of electrons and protons. That is what we should call it as ion. Any doubt in this? Arun Karthikeyan? Karthikeyan?
No.
Everybody? Arya? That is. So, if you understand this, now based on this, gaining or losing electrons. So, ions are classifying into two categories. Also, ions are two categories. So, what is that? Can you able to say? What is that? Anybody?
Cations and anions.
Ions and as well as anions. Understand?
Anion.
So cations means, remember, lost electrons. What is that?
Lost electrons.
Anions means gain electrons.
Donate.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first one. Let me go with cation. All of you write it. Cation. Cation. What do you mean by cation? Harini, Yalamati, Madhumita. What do you mean by cation? Anusri, respond me. A positively charged ion. A positively charged ion is known as cation. So now positively charged ion means whose count is more? Protons or electrons? Whose count is more? Protons or electrons? Dilip,
Protons count is more, sir.
count is more compared to the electrons because electrons will lose. That is. So that is what you have to remember. Examples anybody can give? Sodium, Na plus. Next, magnesium, Mg2 plus. Calcium, 2 plus. Sodium, next potassium, +1 or plus, indicating this all. So what is the symbol of cation? Cation symbol is plus. Understand? Cation symbol is plus. All of you note it down. This is the symbol of cation. Okay, a positively charged ion. This is the symbol. Okay. Now, let us example you can take sodium only. Let me take sodium is how many electrons it will lose, guys? How many electrons it will lose?
One electron, sir.
One electron.
-1 electron, which will turn +1. Understanding? Na+1. So this is called as sodium ion. What we should call it, Karthikeyan? Sodium ion. So also we can call it as what? Ion. What we should call?
Cation.
This is called as what? This is called as sodium atom. What we should call?
Sodium atom.
Sodium atom. You understand, Ra? Everybody, Yalni, Prasini, Harini. Okay. Next. If it comes to here, same way can take here. A cation contains less electrons or more electrons? Less electrons. That is what you have to remember. So cation contains less electrons compared to what, guys? Compared to atom. Is it okay, guys? Compared to atom or normal atom, you can say. So now, for example, let me take sodium. Sodium atomic number, Solra. Anybody? Sodium atomic number. Nitinath, Arvind.
11, sir. 11.
Configuration.
281.
Understanding? So now,
281.
yeah, how many electrons are there? Sodium 11 means number of protons equals to 11. Number of electrons is equals to also what?
11.
If it wants to become a stable electronic configuration. So what is the cell here, outermost cell? KLM.
Sir, one will be removed, sir. One will be donated.
M cell is having one electron alone. So if I will remove this electron, it will become stable in nature. Yes or no? 2A.
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
11 minus 1, 10, sir.
So observe very carefully, not -1. So it will lose one electron, correct? So now one electron will lose means, so before the electrons are 11, now one electron, sodium atom, it will become sodium 8. So how many electrons are there? Protons are 11. Electrons are how many? 10 only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Proton is extra. So that is why sodium atom is Na. Sodium ion is what? Na
Sir,
plus.
why is proton around 11?
Proton 11 only. Proton we are not removing, correct? Proton will never decrease, amma. Proton
Okay,
is
sir,
also 11 and also 11. Understand?
Yes, sir, sir.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Respond me.
Understood, sir. Understood. Sir.
Okay, that is why sodium plus. Okay, guys. Now let me see who is having break. Today only we have noble gas electronic configuration. Now sodium is trying to get a nearest electronic configuration of inert gas. Which gas, guys? Which gas? Observe and tell the table.
Neon, sir. Neon.
So sodium is trying to get the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of which gas? Neon.
Neon.
It will lose how many electrons? It will lose how many electrons? One electron.
One
This is the
electron.
most important MCQ questions. Which is the nearest electronic configuration? Stable electronic configuration. Understanding? 1,000 times they used to ask in every exams. Most of the exams without this question, nothing will be question paper. Definitely they will ask you. They will give you some element and they will ask you. This element is trying to get the which electronic configuration, nearest to which electronic stable electronic configuration they will ask you. So be very careful. Is it okay, guys? Understand that? Okay, so you have to try to understand this. So sodium, it is trying to get the nearest electronic configuration of what? Neon. Nearest stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration of neon 2,8. That is what you have to understand. So now you can take.
Sir, can we write one example for gaining one electron?
Okay, we'll wait. I will say. Wait. Okay. Next. Observe very carefully, guys. Total mass is 23 Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin. Now observe very carefully, guys. So cation is having what, guys? Less electrons than protons. Is it yes or no? Compared to the normal atom, the number of electrons are less. That is the first point. Second point also I have to remember. So a cation, if you take, whose count is more? Proton count is more and electron contains, you have to write it. Cation contains, what it contains, Ra? Less electrons. What is that? Less electrons
More proton.
than protons. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Now, if you observe here, only one element, all the metals, understanding the ions of all the metal elements are cations only. So, all the metals will form which ions, sir? All the metals will form which ions? Positive ions. Also, we can say, what we should call, guys? Cations. Will you guys able to remember? Yes or no? No. The only non-metal which will form positive ions is, you may be guessed by this time, the only
Hydrogen.
Yeah. Actually, two are there. One is polyatomic ion and one is normal atom. What is that polyatomic ion? Can you guess it? 1,000 times we have been studied that till now from the first 2 chapters. So only non-metal, that is hydrogen is the only one which will form positive ions. Do you understand, guys? Next, one polyatomic ion is there. You may be tell me by this time, which will react with the nitrogen. Only polyatomic ion which will form by see all the metal plus some other will form negative charge only. The only one which will form positive polyatomic ion. What is that? Can you able to say? Ammonium. Who said? Who is that name? Please. Ilamadhi. Very good, wonderful, Ram. Really, that is what you said. So many times I said. You check your class one. The only polyatomic ion which is having positive charge. Which one? Ammonium. Understanding, Ram? Ammonium. So please note it down. Only ammonium, which is combining by both non-metals only. Yes or no, ma? Ammonium ion. The formula is NH4 plus. What is that? NH4 plus. Cations formed by what, guys? Cations formed by non-metals. Please remember, all of you. That is one. Okay, guys? Respond, Ra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Other than this, no non-metal will form cations. Is it okay, guys? Nitish, Akshaya, Jesse, Varshini, Vinci?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. Okay? This is what it is called as cations. Now let us go for second one. What is the second one, guys?
Anion.
Huh? Anion. So
Anion.
what do you mean by anion? Anybody? A negative.
Negatively charged ion.
Negatively charged ion.
And it has more electrons.
Yeah. A negatively charged ion. A negatively charged ion is known as anion. Now you guys to tell me, compared to the normal atom, in anion electrons are more or less? Akshaya,
More, sir.
more. That is
Protons are lesser.
what? Less.
Less electrons, more.
Protons are less.
Electrons are.
Protons are not less. Protons will be same, but electrons are looks more.
Electrons will be more, sir. Electrons will be more.
Example, chlorine and oxygen. So 2 minus or minus 2 you can write. So okay. So this is called as chloride ion. What you should call, guys? Don't say chlorine ion. What you should call? Chlorine ion ille. Chloride ion. And what is this called as? Oxygen ion ille. Oxide ion. What is that? Oxide ion. Okay.
Oxide.
So anions will form what? By the gain of one or more electrons. How they will form? By the gain of one or more electrons. For example, if we take chlorine atom, it will gain how many electrons, guys? Gain 1 electron and it will turns into chlorine minus. What is that?
Chlorine.
Chlorine minus. Remember, gaining electron positive, losing electron negative will come here. Is it okay, guys? Arvind, Kevin, everybody. That is. Now,
Sir, gaining electron means
Gaining electron
sir.
is negative only,
Gaining
sir.
electron means negative, sir.
gaining electron negative here will come. Charge is negative, but here reactant side you should show adding plus. There subtracting, so minus. Here see, here subtracting. That is why minus 1. Sorry, have you seen minus? Here I am writing minus. Have you noticed it? Because it is removing. Understand, Amma? Now here it is gaining. So that is why I am doing plus. Is it okay, Padmashini? Varshini? Yes?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now, tell me, compared to the normal atom, number of electrons are more or less in anion? Pranav, Dilipan, Dina, Arya. Compared to the normal
What,
atom,
sir?
number of electrons are more or less in anions?
Electrons are more, sir.
More, sir. Electrons are more.
An anion contains more electrons than normal atom. More electrons.
Then normal atoms.
More electrons than normal atoms. Do you understand, guys? Understand, everybody? Just see, clear this.
Sir.
Get it out, Pranav. That is. So now, normal atoms this is. Now you can put it down. Normal atom contains what, guys? Equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. Correct?
Electrons.
So if you take anions, whose count is more compared to the protons? Electrons count is more.
Electrons.
Anions. Two statements I am giving. Anion contains. What contains more? Contains more electrons. More electrons than protons. That's all. Do you understand, guys? Now, if you take here, anions of all the non-metals will form what, guys? All the non-metals will form anions or cations? All the non-metals. All the non
Anion.
form anions. Do you understand, guys?
Anion.
So the ions of all the non-metals are anions except one. Two ions except two. What is that? Except two.
Hydrogen and ammonia.
Yeah. EXCEP. Hydrogen and as well as ammonium. What is that? Ammonium. Once again I'm saying ammonia. NiA, NH3. Understanding ra? NiUm, NiUm, NH4 plus. Is it okay, guys? That is, you should remember. Very careful. Ammonium, NH4. Ammonia, NH3. Be very careful. Don't get confused.
Sir, ammonia is it positive or negative, sir?
That is why it is balanced.
Ion.
It is compound. Understanding? By sharing electrons. Understand? Not by donating, but here by donating.
Okay,
Understand, Padmashini? Understand?
Okay, sir.
This is ionic compound. This is covalent compound. Have you seen the difference? This is by sharing electrons. Understanding? This is by donating electrons. Understand, Amma?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Prasini, Padmashini, clear?
Yes.
Now, you will take chlorine. So, chlorine atomic number. What is the chlorine atomic number, guys? Anybody? Chlorine atomic number? 17.
17, sir.
287. 7 electrons, removing 7 electrons is very difficult because a lot of energy is needed. So that
We can add one more
One more
electron, sir.
so that into what, guys? Nearest electronic configuration of what? Stable electronic configuration of what? Nearest stable electronic configuration.
Minus
Argon, sir. Argon.
Argon. What is that? Nearest stable electronic configuration.
Argon.
Do you understand, Amma? So they will ask you in exam. Chlorine is attains the dash or else dash nearest electronic configuration, stable electronic configuration. Then you should know atomic number, and if you either adding or gaining, you should know, and you have to write it. So you have to write chlorine is gaining 1 electron, gain 1 electron to attain what, guys? To attain nearest electronic configuration of what? Argon. Inert electronic configuration of argon. Do you understand, guys? Everybody doubt in this, ask me, please. Madhumita, understand, Madhumita?
Yes.
Agilarpan, are you clear? Akshaya? That is. So this is all about.
Here we are adding 1 electron, so it is a negative anion.
No, it is nearest. Yeah, it is adding 1 electron. It is negative. It is gaining the nearest electronic configuration of what? Argon. Okay.
Argon. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. And the symbol of this one,
Yes, sir.
the symbol of anions is, this is the symbol of anions. Okay, Arvind, Nitinath, Karthikeyan, Arun Karthikeyan, everybody say yes means okay, clear. Okay, so this is what it is. So, if you'll understand this concept, then anyhow already it's almost 2 hours. So then tomorrow we will study formation of positive ions, and as well as next one we will study
Negative ion.
formation of negative ions, and the main important thing, electron dot representation. Electron dot representation. That is what you may be heard in our school classes. Lewis dot structure. What we should call?
Lewis George structure.
Or also we can say electron dot structure. What we should call? Electron dot structure.
Electron George.
Tomorrow we will try to finish till there. Then within this week we are going to finish the most important things like types of compounds. We have 2 types of compounds. What is that? Ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Correct or not? So these all the things
Yes, sir.
to finish it. Later single bond, double bond, and triple bond will come. That is all will take 2 days. Later properties of ionic compounds and as well as properties of covalent compounds. So if you'll finish this, that's all. So hardly before next weekend we will finish the syllabus. Is it okay, guys? But your presence of mind is needed, and everybody need to each and everything. Now onwards, you remember, guys, each and everything is a one challenging MCQ question, because everything we should learn something, we have to do something, and we have to make it like some the electron structure or valency or etc., single bond or double bond. If you are not understanding, In exam, it will torture like anything. That is why be very careful, be very conscious while during the class. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat even twice, thrice also. That's all. So thank you so much. With this, I am going to end the today's session. All of you, thank you. Take care and prepare well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.